In this video, we will configure a LOSANT notification target for a MAL site AM107 in the Senate Developer Portal. This video assumes that you have onboarded at least one end device to the Developer Portal and that the device is communicating either through Senate Public Network coverage or via a gateway that has been onboarded to your developer account. If this is not the case, please refer to the Developer Portal device and gateway onboarding videos in this series for further instructions. Now let's take a look at the AM107 that's been onboarded to our Developer Portal account. As you can see, the device is transmitting an uplink message once per minute to a gateway. Since this is a test device, it is configured for rapid uplinks. This rate is configurable, and in a typical LoRaWAN install, this rate would be much less. Oftentimes you will see devices that transmit once per hour, sometimes only once per day. There are even devices that only transmit once per month, depending on the use case. The gateway then relays that message to the network server, and as such, we have the ability to view that transaction in the Developer Portal. In the Developer Portal, data streaming is accomplished by creating a notification target for the individual device. To configure a notification target in this view, we will select Edit Device by selecting this little cog. Once in the Edit Device menu, we'll select Notification Target. If you'll note, the Developer Portal already has a variety of notification targets pre-configured for your needs. In this case, however, we are configuring for LOSANT, which uses HTTP. Depending on how your webhook is configured in LOSANT, you may or may not require authentication. In our instance, we would like to configure basic authentication. First, you will need to configure the URL. This can be found associated with your webhook in LOSANT. Next, we will configure the header keys and then the header values, which are basic followed by the base64 encoded username and password from your webhook in LOSANT. Make sure that the status is enabled and then hit save. Initially, you will see an indication showing that HTTP is inactive. As soon as you receive the next uplink, however, you should see this change status. As you can see, the configuration was a success. The notification target has been checked off as green, which is positive, and the success count is 1. As your device continues to transmit and the network server continues to forward traffic to your notifier, the success count will increase over time. In closing, that's all you need to get a device forwarding traffic to an application from the Senate network. For more information regarding the developer account, go to docs.senatco.io and select Developer. Continue on with this video series to learn how to register a gateway or learn more about the Senate platform overall.